with Dr. MJ and Madonna Chavez. Guys, please tell us what's going on at this event and who are you and what are you doing?
Well, as VP of Military Affairs for the Dallas Alumni Group, today we were able to partner up with VCNCT under Nikema Horton, who's the CEO, and partner up with different veteran organizations so that we can get together within the year and create events to help veterans in the community.
These partnerships are going to really enhance the relationships that we have with the community. My name is Dr. Marisela Jimenez, President of the Alumni Chapter, DFW. I am here supporting Madonna and supporting all the veterans organizations. Our goal is to create awareness and give back to the community. We have plenty of resources as an institution, and we want to make sure that these resources are shared with the community. One example is the food that is left is donated to a homeless shelter. So we benefit not just professionals, but also the homeless.
One last thing, how can we get more people to join in with the alumni? And not just Dallas, but the whole University of Phoenix.
I feel like it's events like this where we can partner with different groups, organizations, not only for veterans, but also people within the community. When we host events and we're representing the University of Phoenix, we're able to outreach to the community. We can bring more people in, and also we're looking for more alumni to join our groups that way.
And lastly, how can people find out more about joining the alumni?
One way to do that is go to our Facebook, DFW Chapter Alumni Association, and submit a request. You will be asked when you graduated from University of Phoenix and if you live in the area. When you do that, we will connect with you. Otherwise, you can also go directly to University of Phoenix and find a chapter to join from anywhere in your state or city.
So if you're in Dallas, look for us on Facebook, the DFW Alumni Chapter. Look for us, join our group, let's make things happen.